Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Wizard Lord Kingdom game not loading or not launching, not opening, keep stopping, crashing or other issues on Android phone. So if you are also into the same situation, just follow the methods discussed here. So the very first method what you need to do is to check if the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the Google Play Store and the search option, search for the game, and now open it and check if the game needs any kind of update. If there is any update available, update your game to the latest version and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If there is any kind of fluctuations on internet, move to mobile data if you are using Wi-Fi, or do vice versa, and then check if it's working. If not, you should force stop the app. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. After that, try to open it and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, you are suggested to check if your device OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings. Now go below. Here you have to click on system update and check if any update is available. If yes, update your phone to the latest version, and after that try to open it and check whether it's working or not. If you can't able to launch the game, then just you have to install any VPN service and then try to launch the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any of them and after that change the location and try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. After doing all the methods, now restart your phone once. For that, press the volume up plus power button and then click on restart. So this will restart your device. Now after restarting, check whether the game is opening or not. If you face the same issue again and again, it's time to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on the delete icon and then click on uninstall. So after the game is uninstalled, again go to Google Play Store and the search option, search for Wizard Lord Kingdom game and then click on the install option. And once the game is installed, now try to open it and check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.